Welcome to Tutorials by David. Today we'll be having a quick how-to tutorial of how to get TradingView API key. Hey guys, so getting your TradingView API key in this year is now faster and easier than ever. First, you need to verify your TradingView account. So log in or create one if you don't have. Then after that, once inside, you want to navigate to your profile, account settings, go to API access section, and then here you'll see an option to generate new API key. Click it, give your key a name for easy reference, and select the appropriate permission based on whether you want the read-only data or trading capabilities. After confirming your unique API key, it will appear, so make sure to copy it securely because TradingView won't show it again. Finally, you want to test your key in your preferred platform or script or whatever you like with your key, and then that's it.